Greetings, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Line TV. Just consider this as part one, because we might have to do a part two to this video. A whole heap of things going to sting in the morning, and me no feel like say everything can hold in a one video. But all me can tell no, Pablo, Robo Mali, wicked. Yeah, man. No, 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 no way. You so know me I talk about Valiant. His set was very short, and in my opinion, just like what me say, on a previous report as to who I go take the show, me feel like say Valiant, him entrance alone, him use and take it. A whole heap of things going on, as I say. So when I go waste no time, we'll get straight into it. But before we go further, I'm ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. Please give this video a like. That's all me ask you know. Give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So up first, the organization of the show was a bit poor. And as I said earlier, the people them where is a member of this channel will always watch the video them. They would have seen one of the previous report when me say there's going to be some glitches, a long time thing no keep, and if you get it right in a one go, it not go easy. So quite a few glitches go on. In the morning from about 6:20 there about them a rush everybody. Some man I get 1 minute. Some artists a come up before they ever me I tell you it was chaos. Them a call on one whole heap of artists to perform together. Some man like Kiprich, me feel like say what him do never make no sense. Yes, him call on Cargo and another artist and whatever, but the thing is that Kiprich chat out the entire set basically. Most of the time him a chat and there was just pure free space between his performance and even Cargo them and them little people that were him call on, and me think that wasn't necessary, especially because the show did come to an end and them a try run out all of the artists them quick and fast. Me feel like say them should have take Kiprich off of the stage long time. Javelin, me know see a theme place also. Him, me feel like say perform too long. Him call out quite a few artists. I don't know him and Craft and them look thing there. And Javelin did something where me I go leave it until me I speak of Pablo. Me speak about that. But also me feel like said Javelin said did too long, especially when me look on some other man set like Daddy One and Tapman and them artists that were perform like right before and them barely spend even a minute on the stage because them a call them off and a call on new artists and them little thing there. So that to me was a downfall, and a whole heap of things going on from early up in the show. But as I say, you don't know in the morning, and this of the show right, and this of everything will go on. And I feel like say the organization, especially during the last day, it never good. Yes, against time, but man like Javelin and Kiprish never need to depend on the stage so long when some other man I get 1 minute and 2 minutes. So me hope say Leng and every day them look into that, and for the next staging them do a little bit better. Again, time again, but it no make no sense. Some man I get 10 minutes and some man I get 1 minute. Split it even, you understand. And time management not easy, but try to make it be a case so you give yourself at least a 1 hour where you add up everything and know so yo, if any little thing happen, we have that extra 1 hour here, so that we can get things together and we can get at least every artist to perform instead of the show coming to an abrupt end and artists ready to perform no perform. One whole heap of chaos. You understand what I say? Even Dovey Magnum, you can imagine Valiant a close the show while Valiant in a is set Dovey Magnum forward out. And I make the people them know say, oh, nah, come down, me there and that's a long time for perform and have to perform. Cause you don't know them a female and the man them a push and a shove and you don't know them can beat them run and them ending up not get to perform, and Dovey have to make them know say, yo, and so you go. And that never look good. If you have the closing act on stage, big Valiant, and then you have Dovey Magnum a run on come perform a cappella. I think she performed a one song. Well, she tried to perform it a cappella. It never did a work, and she just did a lay until them just lock off everything while Valiant was even on the stage. But we not get to Valiant performance yet, and we not get to what going with Pablo and Mali, where we will get to right after this. If you don't notice, me keep on go back to the previous videos then when me do and I say me did say this as well me did say this. And all of them things here now is not say yo me I say yeah me know this or me a profit or whatever. No. Certain things is just critical thinking. looking at situations and analyzing situation, reading people, them body language, them gesture, even the words they where them say and all of them things that Amari don't tell no say. You see the Queenie and the Amari clash is going to be the worst ever in a history of dancehall. It's going to be a disaster. It never turned out as bad as what me did expect. But me not even did even expect them to fight. And more than one occasions, based on what I saw, Amari attempted to fight Queenie. And the last one, she almost basically successful. And it just never look good. And I don't see why Amari do that. We all know see Amari head no good. And me telling her say, she not have no sense, neither Queenie. But I can see say Queenie a bit more level-headed than we see Amari rush after Queenie and them little thing there. And it never really happened then where they like how would I expect say fist and this and that I go fling and kick and them little thing there. But she made attempts and every minute the guard them and everybody have running and them little thing there. To me, it just never made no sense. And that time where them two artists that on the stage was a total waste. Everybody have to eat food and I say them should get book, but don't book them for a clash. Book Queen if you go sing her one song. Book Amari if you go sing her one song. 2 minutes, you take them off of the stage. More than have them on the stage 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes and make up night another one bag of foolishness. That never made no sense in the beginning and it definitely never made no sense in the end. So the big moment now, I wonder which one of them moment are bigger, which one of them if you see if you last. With Valiant taking the show and Pablo rubbing out Mali. But we speak about Valiant first. So Valiant, him entrance, him song where him use for forward on the stage, him opening song, to me, that alone take the show. Him run on and make them know say, yo, nah left it pan belly, alright. See it. Yeah, man, I saw Valiant kick off in performance. You don't know run on with craft and them little thing there. And him never spend a lot of time performing. He met the rest of you them went forward on the craft them and so he met them go and perform. I don't think Valiant perform 3 songs. I really not think him perform 3 songs. But as I can see, Valiant performance was a good performance. And even though the crowd dead, because when Daddy wanna perform to me, Daddy want flap out, keep rich them all of them whole heap of artists, in my opinion, flap out. And it's not because them not really perform good, but the crowd just nag with them. I don't know what wrong with Jamaican crowd nowadays. The crowd just dead. And now we are gonna move on to the Pablo and the Mali clash. Earlier when me talk about Javelin and his performance, and he said, me tell him say there is something what happen with Javelin and Pablo. Me I go leave it until me talk about Pablo. If you tell no, it's nothing negative. What that means that Javelin out there perform. You don't know Javelin, I watch him man. You understand Pablo, watch him man. Javelin bring on quite a few artists same way, and just like as I'm telling you, Kipridge, Javelin spend too much time on the stage, just like with Valiant, Javelin bring on a couple artists and whatever. Now, while Javelin perform, Javelin here say, watch you know say no more artists now go perform. So this might be the last set. Javelin take it as his initiative. He say, watch me I go bust the youth. And him call out Pablo. Because him now and Pablo did it and not get for grace the stage and the people them not get for see him perform. Even though we know say Pablo and Mali, they are down to clash. They are slated to clash. But Javelin is still and make sure say in case the clash not happen, the people them say Pablo in a place. Call out Pablo and Pablo drop couple song and him go on good. Vibes up the crowd and then him take him time and him exit. Then now, say a time for the real deal, the time where everybody are wait for, and that is the clash between Pablo and Mali. That also never lasts long. I think it lasts for about 3 minutes, if it lasts so long. But either way, Mali run out and Mali run out wicked. Nah, go tell no lie, but the crowd just never did a feel Mali. Me don't know if it's a case where because Pablo did already out there, him already energized the crowd and them already with him if that work in his advantage, because as I say, Mali entrance was good and Mali put up a good performance, but the crowd did just go with Pablo. And in my opinion, fair and square, outside of the crowd go with Pablo, me would have give Pablo the win for real. You understand? Pablo run out and him drop him track them and him drop him track them. But there is a specific part in the clash and me feel like say and this Pablo use and win the clash. Check it out. Earlier, I'm telling you, say all of the things that me I say as it regards to who I go take the show and it happen, as it regards to Queenie and Amari clash not necessary and it show say never necessary, and as it regards to the organization of the show say nah go pull off to a smooth show and it happen. As when me tell you, a critical thinking and all of them things there do things like that. Now Pablo very smart. Don't that's what I'm telling you. Don't take the youth them for fool no because them forward and them say dunks and this and that, Malie sing a song as you clearly see in the video like a while. And Pablo was so quick to counteract it. Not even his own song. I not even tell no who sing the song there. You're not supposed to know a long time when you in a dance hall. But Pablo, his thinking was so fast and so quick for him know. So watch me not have no song to counteract that. Me can't go build up no lyrics from spot right now to counteract that. But the song they just fly in him head so fast and him just say, no, 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 no way. Believe me, Pablo never need to say nothing more. Clash done, stamp, seal, Pablo win right there. So to me, it was a short clash, but it was a good one. Nothing compared to what we used to. When we are talking about the Kiprich them, the Ninja Man them, the Merciless them, the Bunty, the Beanie, oh gosh, the Vice Cartel and Mvrder. But if you know, see a two young artists with Pablo, still a juvenile, based on my understanding, could have able to pull off this, it is really a good look. And we don't know, we are going to look forward for this thing next year again and hope say things better in place and more organized and it can run smoother. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, I have come to the end of another report. Again, me I go ask you, like this video and stay tuned. We might do a part 2. Bless up.